and welcome to Sober TV. And yeah, discussion be concerning e-ticketing. Now, there were a lot of response, and that is what Sober TV has here by you. But during the discussions behind the scenes, there were some people and also suggest to say, let's come up with solutions instead of the usual blame games. But no credit the catch behind the scenes that there be at the end even though we talk about solutions, but you need to make the changes. So today we are going to discuss the solutions to this e-ticketing corruption. That is how I call it, because it is enhancing corruption and it's robbing the class that are using it. It's robbing them. Creating massive loopholes for people to enrich themselves instead of the club. So we are going to talk about the solutions today on Sober TV. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is what we do here. We analyze issues. We break the stories. Maybe breaking news, because Saturday, Sunday, Monday, you story it's all about analysis. So in the evening, I'm going to combine it all and give it to you from 6 to 7. Expect exclusive news. About Sober TV. So subscribe to the channel and drop your comment. You give the heat when the heat is supposed to be given. Weekend, the Kotoko-Gate nations. We talk about all those things this week. But the solutions to this e-ticketing gate corruption, that is what I call it. The first one should start from the platform providers, which is the ego. That's where it should start from. They should improve their system. They should improve their system. The point is, say a door nipa 3 FM. Say do time na nipa 10 and FM door ni choki. Ne koyedin. But so be door na nipa 15 to me FM at a time. Nipa 10 be jina door no ho en choki. I hope you understand my point. So if you improve your system, pressure crab never say nipa 50 at a time. So motor. So I improve system now, it can accommodate them. Yes, I know the best websites and other platforms crash it, but you can improve the load it may contain in such a way that it will demand a specific number of, let's say, present users on the app and so crash it. So they must improve and work on their platform. And that is where I have an issue with them. And that's the first solution. The solution should come from the platforms for Nankasa. Today we are doing 5 solutions. But the solutions first to come from a more who provide the service. Whatever means they should apply, whatever technology or somewhere in the backstage, and on their dashboard and on their platform to make it stronger enough to accommodate a lot of users at the same time. No, they should do it. Because what they be pesca into body and what Canada and DNT a bar say best 7 on because nipa 50 cost of precopena jame, 20 cost of precopena jame, yeah, what kind of service is that? And that's the first solution. Now, the second solution is that clearly, Stadium Nina, which is Baba, will be a toy Jamodia. They should go back to the initial solution among for them almost starting free VIP, and they should go back to it. So it should be a mixture of the old ticketing system and the new digitization system, and that's the second solution. And you be try to say yellow stance, red stance, green stance, you 2 tickets. Then over VIP, you use e-tickets. So nipa hold about VIP endorse, so it reduces the pressure. So people can buy and the scanning will not be a problem. Because a nipa ke 2 every near scanning among. But over Baba see a big gate 20. You nipa 20 scanning. But VIP gate you 2. So there can be a queue. Maybe a nipa be 5 grade in a queue no more. Another 6 penny in more. 2 boot num. Maybe a 2 so queue no more scanning. Nti we be scan am so ma scan ma check ma te onko sa. But see be 20 gates. It means you are scanning 20 gates, which will invite the pressure. But say 5 gates, the pressure will not come. So it should be a mixture between the old system and the new system. The old system, which is the ticketing system, which there are clubs in Ghana on that so here. Local venues are under the NSA. I'm used to the old ticket system. So they should accommodate the old system. Once gradually they improve the new system to take over entirely. Because for now, I'm actually said they cannot take over entirely. So VIP and maybe a restaurants and one year. I'm not sure restaurants for people change VIP. And to say, oh yeah, any sample BBA. You start from the smaller scale before you move to the larger scale. When you can satisfy the smaller scale, that is why you take it to the larger scale. So they should come back and start from the VIP. Then they move to other places. The VIP is successful. Maybe at the gate, be 2 restaurants swag home. It should be a gradual process. It should not be by force. And you can say by force, no, miss it. The third thing is the installation of CCTV cameras. Or gates. If you want to fake the corruption, I say the camera. It's obvious. Yes, Nipa never control camera there. But what we don't know is that Sesikane ba NSA Jenny Kotoko-Gate Jenny it go for Benjamin there. So if the money goes to the pocket of individuals, it affects Sika NSA Benya, Sika Kotoko-Benya, Sika Ego Benya. So everybody is involved. So you are installing CCTV camera with gate. Automatically, and the whoever will PR or apply that corruption with gate what to make money. Automatically, it will put that fear in that person. So people will be strict and they will be cautious. Because if you go outside, they have it. Apart from some of the digitization, they also have cameras. Oh, some machine is inside there counting on they apply all those things in other places. So it should be done. Because you need the presence of camera. To look at how so you check out, so you sell out, so now you police near original home. When you say about what you then I am monitor. And you cannot apply any fracadam bia. Just that what you need to do is say a more mitigate more 10 cities are. We improve on 50 cities. Now the camera there abo. Ntini paronim say when a finching we are or the bear times 5 they are tourniquet to your man and in bread there also general. But there should be cameras, which is necessary. Wow, we're standing up against camera be an up as all no. Because I want you move fita unsuro camera bo echi awo ye adwuma. Because he is kasem and into the bank I the cameras bo. Go to places that they are dealing with money. They say barbering shop for crowd the camera ball, barbering shop, pharmacy, I'm the camera ball. Go to most pharmacies, even over the counters for grabbing the cameras, bomb office. One, maybe I can for how to help them, but also to monitor the panel to one hour dealing scam because why investment? You need your money back. Upusika. Kano abonti enya fokusem enya se we madam for sem there be. Uwa Kano why there no. I've been to barbering shop or and other places, but do by page at na camera boho. Because we check it. Ebi ono no afa baba ne say otua baba ne ka every month. Oh, otua ne ka every month. Until whether edwuma bo, you supposed to pay the person. And what's our phobia to also Giska. Do asa the camera na boho to monitor his money well, a investment. So I call you loan crowd. Baby no dey na adwuma sa so na club management no sika mo de be players health mu wo mo didie mu wo mo hotel wo mo salaries the amount of money Kotoko is spending on the players, no. A climb by a climb so far fast what gate. It's on the camera about how you are protecting your investment. It's not about trusting people who are there. It's about protecting your investment. So they need to put camera there. That's the third solution. The fourth solution is a bit kakra. If you are still staying with this e-ticketing way and we have no other way out, then Asante can purchase it in advance. But what team in common? That's the fourth solution. Tibia, October 1,000 tickets in advance. Tibia or check it VIP wato 500. Popular stand wato 1,000 a go. Center line wato 300 a go. A total of 1,008 a go. Kotoko will buy the tickets from the platform very early. Excuse me. Develop the code. No, and they will develop the code. So a generated code name out. Then I'm printing a baby. Then they put a booth there. LABR stadium hall. And to buy, instead of you trying to buy a net on a bed, then buy no more ticket now. No more discount, no more tiama, no more discount, no more tiama, no more discount. The disadvantage is that much I need pambano. When the kind of the entire car. But the advantage is that there are the paper banner. And I'm saying we will be how what generated that I will turn sharp, and limited the corruption. I hope you understand. So they say be a by there Wednesday near be a platform not tomorrow bit me at maybe I got to top 2,000. Popular stand maybe 1,005. VIP 500. No, I told you what that. No, I create be a boots out or no a ton. So it has been generated from the platform, but Kotoko have already paid for it and they are selling it. Until better than the amount the bar on Bewremu Street. Maybe a Kotoko announcement. So Udu Gate. Yes, we are where you are. Ubit me at piano ato. Utiano ato. Then your honor now the Urem. Now one word the other and Emma Obia. Baby 50 cities or maybe 30 Urem. MOB this kind of the comment time nani pan be ashen bottom BNC. Do you get my point? I know the any pan yet man was scanning na check an action because got connect on into March where see 5,000 buy. Now looking at the trend, you can predict the number of people that will go to the stadium because for instance, Kotoko-Gate Nation FCI, you are looking at close to 8,000 coming to Baba Sports Stadium to watch Kotoko and Bichim. You can predict about 8,000. Aye, beba. To the 8,000, no. You find say 1,000 crying yet, or more family and friends, journalists, money and the with them. You can predict about, let's say 7,000. You say Kotoko decided so or 3,000 tickets. At home. If they are beating team a friend a year, nations, no bebo bichima, 3,000 tickets on Boka. Turn 2,000 restaurants and yeah, 1,005 for restaurants, 500 were yellow, 500 were VIP. Not hard here. That can be the next solution, but there's a risk factor associated because it means ticket no talk, nothing ni ball no ni panambe. If you buy in that bulk, now turn out of one and time, you cannot return it back to ego for so because and they are shame a better pot worker. But if you can do that, it means that people will not have to dash money to other people. So I hope you are following the kind of solutions now there, Banner. One, they must improve their platform, or two, they should start from a smaller scale. Maybe a VIP in one or started. Three, you put CCTV cameras for gates to monitor. The private investigator, the CCTV camera be number 2 to monitor. Say panipa 2, 3, 4. You be a call very careful. Or four, you buy it in bulk and you sell it. The last one there said the usual complaint about the network now is slow. The network now is slow. Telcos no. So it's either they will talk to some of the telcos. Now some baby improve network now Baba Sports Stadium no. Say, because clearly when you are even running commentary at Baba Sports Stadium, when you are trying to upload videos at the Baba Sports Stadium, Blasters match crowd there is sometimes scary. Sometimes you record a video, you move out of the zone, compare free stadium and some those with even table net crowd even struggling to get proper sending. I remember one of the matches now, I see a sending your maybe called CAF. Struggling to send it. Match commissioner need Tesopa. They had to use other means. Call somebody in Accra and read the report to the person for the person to type and send. I have a network in some of Baba heading. So it's either do it with the telcos, collaborate with the telcos and get to the bottom of that. But these are the solutions. Either the camera beba, either they will start on a smaller scale. Either say Kotoko-Gate no aton, no abeto generating code no aton, or they should force the ego to improve their platform and ranger it containing nipa bebre at the same time, or they should collaborate with the telcos to put up proper network. Say be as a pool be no babe mountain or baba ho. Say then you na aboa medjumedi na akosunyi. Not just say aboa bibia. These are the solutions. And we believe that a better supem, I can't be actually more actually, and yes, and a babble, a better supem, no more tea, no more boabo, claps, no buying. I'm a sika, a fan conference arsenal. That's what this is Obed TV. Bye bye.